Hi everyone, I'm Rhonda, the Mature Diva. Welcome to the Mature Diva channel, where we talk about many things to help us be successful. Today, we're going to talk about a new product that I just got in the mail today. It can help many of us that are entrepreneurs and social media creators. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more great content. And if you're a return Mature Diva, welcome back and you look fabulous. Today I'm going to review a new light that I just got in called the HP USN Softbox Lighting Kit. So here's why I purchased it. I operate the Mature Diva channel from a small space and lighting is a concern for me. So I needed to find an option that was affordable, small, and powerful. I turned to Amazon and found the HP USN Softbox Lighting Kit for only $39.99. There are many lighting options on Amazon, so I wondered if it was something that could give me the power that I need at an affordable price. And I have to say, I am impressed. Here it is. I got it in today and I couldn't wait to use this light. Unpacking took me only 10 minutes. It was super simple. Now, I didn't find any instructions in the box, but I didn't need any. There are only 3 easy to put together pieces. There's a tripod, there's the light bulb, and the reflector. It all screws together easily and then you just plug it in. So I have the light behind my camera and this is the quality that I'm getting. I added this to my existing ring light, so I'm really getting the benefit of both lights right now and I really like the output. This lighting kit comes with a carry bag and an extra light bulb. I'll leave a link below on this product on Amazon. It is available on Prime with fast delivery. I will also show you some photos from Amazon of the product itself. I hope this information is helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for other helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be happy and be blessed.